Hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's Classy Reed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is my first chit chat get ready with me. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, please stay tuned. I'm going to do my makeup. I'm just going to show you because I'm not a makeup artist and I'm not a life coach, but I just wanted to share some things that have been on my mind lately, especially when we coming up to a new year. You know, I'm not trying to make this to be a perfect video. It's just a video. So what I just do is while I'm talking, I'm gonna try to just bear with me. I'm gonna try to hold up what I'm using. It's all cheap, baby. It don't take a lot of money. It don't take all of that to get cute, and you will see. This is my eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna go over and just fill in my eyebrows. I'm just doing light. So it has been on my mind, which these past couple of years, I've taken a couple of L's. And I'm not gonna lie, life has been depressing, you know, losing someone I was in love with at the time, and also losing my mother the early part of this year. Depression lingers very, very, very much. And it's like for once in my life, I've not been able to control my emotions. But, you know, I thank God for a strong love and support system. Sometimes it gets me through, sometimes it doesn't. I don't watch the news, and I know I should. Don't come for me. I don't watch it as much as I should because it's so depressing. And, you know, I know the bad things happen in the world, but who wants to sit and relive that every single day? Who wants to sit and see that? It's so depressing. And I'm the type of person, I know that it exists. I know the crime is here, but I don't want to see it. It's depressing. I'm trying to focus and get through my daily routine, you know, and focus on this and trying to be the best person that I can be, you know, because sometimes we can look at social media and people have it all together. They have it like this, or people brag to being like, oh, perfect. Just like they have no care, no trouble in the world, which is fine and dandy if you don't, and fine and dandy if you do. But what I feel in that situation is you just have to go at your own pace. Go at your own pace. Be yourself, because you know what? And I'm a firm believer in this, and I've said it before. Somebody will love you and respect you. People will love and respect you for being you. You in your own race. And don't compare yourself to others. I know it's so hard. Everybody got it going on social media, but you just have to do what makes you happy. Life isn't perfect, but I think it's mostly about how we cope with our own issues. I'm just trying to be the best Classy Reed that I can be. In my old lane. I ain't trying to step on nobody's toes. I ain't competing. I love to see people happy. I love to see people's life story. I love to see people that come up, especially where I'm from, man, from the South, you know, because people try to look down on some of the people from the South because you don't talk a certain way. You don't have to speak a certain way. Like, I try to speak correctly. I try to use correct grammar because most of the time, but I'm not perfect. Sometimes I can say some stuff you won't understand what I'm saying, but you get the point. You get the picture. And that's why I say people don't compare yourself to others, because she might speak this way, or he might speak that way, or he might look that way. You know, you thinking that's like, because sometimes we're our own worst critics. We're our own worst at the moment. When you love yourself, everything else will follow. Other people love you. Because what I found, no matter how you talk, no matter how you walk, no matter how you look, confidence is key. Confidence is key in looking and loving yourself, baby. Like I told you, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't come for me with these eyebrows. And in loving yourself, staying in your own lane, and be in your own competition. Because the people you worried about most of the time, they ain't even thinking about you. They're not even worried about you. And that's why you shouldn't be worried about them. You should do whatever makes you happy. I mean, I'm gonna speak for me. Let me stop saying you, me. I try to do whatever, and I do whatever makes me happy. And when I'm in a dapper mood, but when I'm going through issues, I like to just sit and be alone and figure it out. And I get through that little rut that I'm having, or that little bad day, and I start working on a solution. Because I'm not where I want to be in life. I'm not. I'm sorry, I'm not. But I'm gonna get there. I'm not gonna sit up and throw a pity party for myself. I'm gonna keep striving, I'm gonna keep working, you know. But I think that at times, even with this YouTube, I would look at other people. I'm like, oh man, she got 100,000 subscribers. Oh, she got 1,000. Oh, she's there. It's so hard. Man, I don't care, one at a time. If the channel grows, it grows. If it don't, it don't. I'm gonna stick to the main reason why I wanted to do this in the first place. And that is to touch that one person, that 2 people, the 3, how many other people who needed to hear this? Because every time you hear somebody, it's so many times I've heard people speaking their truth or speaking their stories, and I'm like, dang, I feel the same way. I feel the same way. I'm going through the same thing. I do. It's so many times. And their video helped me, or their story. It don't even have to be social media. Their story, just meet people in crossing and trying not to brush them off. Because I'm very much to myself. I'm not even gonna lie. If you know me, you know me. But I don't, how can I put it? I'm to myself, but because I don't trust people. People have hidden agendas. I don't mind helping people. I don't mind helping someone if I can, the best to my ability. But I look at people sideways, because the world we live in today, you just have to. You just have to. I'm sorry, it's sad, but it's true. And you never know. People try to get close to you to get in your business. Everybody going through something. I'm going through something. But it ain't nobody's business what I'm going through. It ain't nobody's business what I'm going through. You know, you can go through stuff, but you don't have to tell the world. Everybody ain't gotta know your business. Keep that to yourself until you come through that storm. And once you get through the storm, then maybe you want to share it then. If you want to share it, you can share it then. But I'm just telling you, but nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. Everybody has something wrong with them, I promise you. And everybody's struggling with something, and that is so true. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep getting up, brushing myself off, starting over. And that's what I'm learning on my journey. And you know, hopefully that'll help somebody else. You don't have to be perfect. You don't. You just gotta do it. Like they say, put one foot in front of the other. I got started back, and I'm mad at myself, but I'm not. Because it's showing me that I'm not giving up no matter what. No matter what, I'm not giving up. I started that weight loss. My weight loss journey on here 2 years ago. Yeah, I had a few losses, and that made me stop. My mental state wouldn't allow me to go. So I didn't. I stopped, and there was no excuse. But I did lose the weight. But as soon as I started feeling good, I started feeling myself. What they say, you start smelling your tail. I started smelling my tail. I'm looking good. Lost that little bit of stomach I was struggling with. Next thing you know, I just stopped. I got too comfortable. Too quick. And I started gaining weight. I'm gonna insert the picture. Here you go. This is it. Baby, I was losing that weight. You couldn't tell me nothing. Discipline. Went 6 months. That was the longest I went. And then I ended up letting something get in the way. Something so simple. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing what makes me cute. It doesn't take all of this, because some days I just put on some eyelashes and a little mascara and a little eyeliner, and I wear my glasses, and it works. Do it, baby. We on a budget. You don't need all the expensive stuff. This LA Pro, Dollar General, Family Dollar for $1. Family Dollar. I had to tell myself, you don't have to be perfect. Just be the best you. Just be the best you. Keep working. Keep striving to do better. Don't give up. That's the whole key goal. Don't give up. And I have to tell myself this daily, because it's a lot of days I don't wanna do it. I don't wanna face life. But you have to keep going. You have to. Because you can't sit up and be a leech. I don't want to sit up and be a leech. I'm going to say that. I like having a roof over my head. I love having to not answer to somebody. I love paying my own bills, which, you know, if somebody want to come pay them, you can pay them. But for the most part, it feels good. I'm going to say that. I feel good being able to pay my own bills and to move like I want to move, in a sense. And nobody tell you what to do. That's the reward of working. Try and compare myself to others. Like I said, if you perfect and you got it all figured out, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to those who can relate. Because I don't have it all together. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm still figuring it out. At the late age that I'm at. As long as you figure it out, that's the key. And people are trying to come for you. Oh, this, I ain't bald head no more, y'all. But I've been wearing my wigs. I finally cut all the chemicals out of my hair. So I'm chemical free. So I got my little Snoop Dogg braids down. Because I've been, I went to the gym earlier. And I've been back in the gym. Been back for like 3 weeks. I'm going to have to make a video. Make a video vlogging my workout. I'm starting back. But I'm just trying to figure it out so that I can do. I'm trying to figure it out so I can do. Yeah, I'm just over the video, all over the video with this damn conversation. But I know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna work on getting it out better. Like I said, I'm not trying to make a perfect video because I'm not perfect. And I don't want to portray that I'm perfect because I'm not. Nobody is. We all got damn issues. Try not to curse. I all got dang on issues, you know. But something just came to me. I'm gonna tell you how I used to be. Maybe you can relate. Some people speak a certain way. Oh, and I've been around people. Not nobody that I'm close to, but just in the presence of some people who think if you don't speak a certain way or you don't pronounce things a certain way, that you're not on their level. But baby, I might not be on your level. I ain't trying to get there. When I say I learned not to judge a person, let them be how they are. But I cannot stand judgmental people, okay? Under no circumstances. Just because you see a person smiling and laughing doesn't mean they don't have a lot on their mind, you know, and they're just trying to escape that constant reminder of the issue that they're facing. I know me, a lot of times when I was going through something, I laugh and I talk because I'm the same. I don't believe in taking my frustrations out on other people or acting different towards them because I'm going through something. But everybody handle their situations different. And I just want to focus on being kind to people because you never know what they're going through. Another thing that I've learned is take nothing personal. I would walk past, speak to them. I used to get upset when they didn't speak back. I'm like, dang, you ain't got no home training? Because it's nothing to say hi, hey, how you doing? Smile, greet. Hey, you gone. You ain't got to talk to them. You ain't got to get their number. You ain't got to go on dates with them. And I stopped. Okay, I feel like when I stop taking it personal, when I walk past a person and they don't speak, I took my power back by not taking it personal. Like, it's like I gained my power back because I'm like, okay, maybe they're having a bad day. And I go on. I don't be like, oh, they didn't speak to me. Like, I don't give a darn. People dealing with their own stuff. People dealing with their own issues. And it's like you just have to learn and cope. And I'm using the same makeup I've ever had. Don't talk about me, don't come for me, baby. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm just ranting. Just ranting, man, because life can be so hard. Life can be so hard mentally. It's the mental breaks you go through, having to get up and push and keep forward and trying to keep it together. It can be so hard. But it's like on the days you need to smile, smile. On the days you need to cry, cry. The days you want to laugh, laugh. Take it, but don't give up. That's what I say. Don't give up. I know one thing too, and I should have said this in the beginning. Working on my relationship with God. Like, I watch church online, but I have not been going like I should. And that's so sad. But I know for me, I'm not talking about anybody else, but for me, I was raised in the church, and for the longest, I felt like something was missing. Something was missing. My grandma even told me, because even when I had moments dealing with my mom, she always seemed to call me at the right time. And she always said, "Sugar, talk to the Lord." She said, "Don't give up." And she would always, her and my dad always say, "You so strong." But when people telling you you're strong, you don't see it. I'm like, baby, I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see what y'all seeing. But they see something to me. At times, I don't see it myself. But I do know that I do need to work on my relationship with God. Build my relationship back, because I never lost it. And those are my beliefs. Yep, and those are my beliefs. I need to get my behind back in church. I need to faithfully. I pray daily. But I need to get myself back in church. Like, watching it online just don't do it for me. I need to be in church, like actually in church, listening to the word, soaking it all in that atmosphere. People will fail you. I know I can go on. God won't. I'm gonna believe in that. You believe in what you believe in. I ain't judging you, so don't judge me. But you better stand for something or fall for anything. People in this world will try to influence you. And if you know what you stand for, they can't encourage you. Otherwise, you better know who you are. I learned that from Wayne Russell. Yeah, so this, so I had to do this off camera, which I'm not about it anymore. So get your little jokes in, get your laughs, baby, but I'm still cute with the wig cap on. Boom, baby, little braids tucked. Boom, but I'm gonna put my wig on off camera. So this is the finishing look. I put my wig on off camera. I put my lipstick on off camera. As you can see, baby, you can't tell me nothing right now. You can't tell me nothing. But all it takes is a little bit, just a little bit, just to make yourself feel good. Because when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you get that money, baby. Gets that money. Yes, so I just want to be of some type of encouragement. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. Never give up. I don't want to ever give up. If I do, I want to get up, brush myself off, keep going, just working on being the best person that I can be, the best sister that I can be, the best daughter. I'm just working on the best auntie. I'm just working on being the best person that I can truly be, and looking in the mirror every day, being my own competition. When I see people doing good and living out their truth, it makes me so happy. Just seeing people being their authentic, genuine self. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. For me, that's way too